had the opportunity to work with Summit on our Salesforce optimization. I work at a small school in the admissions department. We needed someone to help us improve our Salesforce processes for our enrollment process for this upcoming school year. I have had to learn Salesforce on the job, just tinkering around, but we needed someone that was an expert and knew the capabilities and the scope of Salesforce's possibilities. Summit had a variety of options at a lot of different price points for us, which was really helpful as we had to learn and try and understand what was possible and to make what we had in our head, the processes we had in our head, a reality. So Summit was really wonderful to work with. He was super responsive. There's a time difference. I'm in Central Standard Time, and Summit is not. And so we primarily communicated in the morning times, but he was quick to respond to my messages during his working hours. That always overlapped with my working hours. We hopped on a lot of calls, and he was able to show me the work that he was working through, and then was able to quickly make the changes that we were working on together. He was able to put all of the terms and jargon of Salesforce into layman's terms so that I understood, and then to translate it back to actually what the Salesforce process was, which was really helpful. So really thankful for our work together. Our parents have really appreciated the processes that we've put in place and been really impressed with how professional we look. And so I give Summit all of the credit for that, though they think it was all me. I look forward to working with Summit again in the future.